Look at our car stuck right here in New York. Look at the truck. My God, look at that truck right here. They pushing out because this stuff and people try to happen. That's the snow. This is right here. That's what happened right here in New York City. You see me? I fall down right here. Oh my God. You see? In the snow? Too much snow right here. Yeah, I love snow. That's why you see me outside in the street in New York City. Look at that. They stuck and everything. Oh, I don't have no help for nobody. Yeah, look at me, I fell down. Woo! Wow, I fell down on the stairs. Oh my God, helping me. Oh, I'm crazy. Oh, I'm crazy. Oh, help me. Oh, I'm right here in the snow. Oh my God, help me, help me. Oh, yeah. And you saw me fall down in this. Oh, fall down, right? So much snow in New York. That's why you see a bunch of the Yolanda Sala around here. They don't care about the snow. It's a supermarket right here. You see? Oh, that's a very cold weather today, right? Very cold weather. So that's what I have for today. We're gonna fall down again. Woo! Whoosh! Oh my God, help me! God bless you. What I have today? Bunch of the Yolanda Sala. God bless you from Junior Blizzard today. Bye.